So we are in Jersey and we're getting ready to go to Manhattan to go to Gary Vee's office. For those of you guys who don't know who Gary Vee is, he is an entrepreneur, he is an author, I mean, what else does he do? He does so many things. So he's a motivational speaker, and check him out. And I'm really excited, and Whitney's really excited to go visit. So we're hoping that we don't get rained on. We have our luggage because we were supposed to check into our hotel in the city this morning, but dude, we were so freaking tired. Like, this is the first time that we actually got to sleep in without waking up because the baby was crying or something like that, or I was feeding the baby. So I was like, 7 a.m. we were supposed to get up and go, and I was like, no, Whitney, I'm tired. He's like, we don't have to get up now. So we didn't, and now we don't even have time to eat. So we're gonna go and then find a good place to go eat food too. So let's just hope it doesn't rain. That's the only thing, because my hair, and yeah.
We're getting close.
Yes.
Traffic wasn't bad.
No, it's really good. We were worried because yesterday you looked and I think it said it was gonna take an hour and a half, and it's only 5 miles away. But we're doing good.
Yeah, I've been stuck in that tunnel for 45 minutes.
Yeah, last night we checked.
I don't know what was going on with traffic last night. Maybe it was construction or something.
We were like, we gotta leave. That's why we woke up like at 7. I was like, I can't get up right now. So I was supposed to send pictures to Kim. Kim's my coach. So I've only had 2 trainers for competitions in my whole 8 years. First couple years I trained with a company, I guess you could say, or whatever. Yes, I did well, but then what happened to my body and everything was all sorts of screwed up, which is something that I'm going to talk to you guys about in a later video. Because I know a lot of you guys are doing making these mistakes when it comes to training, either for a show or for a certain type of physique. And then I trained myself for a long time, and I did amazing. Got my body back to normalize itself, and then it wasn't until last year. No, it was 2017. Yeah. Oh my gosh, right before I got pregnant, and I did 3 shows. I used Kim Odo, who's amazing, and so I did the Arnold's in the U.S., Hawaii, and Arnold in Australia with him. Then I got pregnant, obviously, and I couldn't compete, but now we're back to business, and I'm planning to compete in a couple months, actually. Holy moly, like, it doesn't even seem like it's that close. But anyway, I'm using Kim, and so I was supposed to send pictures every Friday, but I'm traveling, and when I travel, I find that I think it's the stress from traveling, whether you feel that you're stressed or not, but just like the constant running around, and you know, for me, my issue is I need to make sure to drink enough water. That's very difficult for me, because I'm not a fan of water, and I drank it all for years when I was competing, but then I gotta get back to that, right? So anyway, I told him I'd send him pictures on Wednesday, just because I feel that I don't look my best when I'm traveling. Even though I'm on it 100%, I just don't know what it is. You look bloated, you're holding more water. And actually, like I said, I think it comes back to the stress from traveling and whatever. But anyway, and not drinking enough water, because that'll make you hold water and look puffy. So I'm sending pictures on Wednesday. So we made it, and we are not late. I'm really excited. It's muggy out here. Like, I feel like my face is getting really shitty.
It's May.
But I don't like it. It's like, anyway, we're getting ready to go in. This building is freaking awesome.
Would the driver say this was a What billion-dollar project was this? $25 billion.
Like on
Hudson Yard.
Yeah,
it's on top of the old
train station.
Yeah.
Or something.
Parking.
Whatever.
All right, let's go in. Straight down to that exit sign. Cool building. What is this? What are these bags?
Yeah. I'm not a fan.
Exit sign, pathway. All right. We just walked into the wrong building, I guess.
I'm so confused.
No, I think this is it. Just go to the other side of the building. Oh, nice. There we are. Yeah, we're going to Vayner Media. Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Vayner going up.
Yay! I just can't think because I'm super cold and I have to pee really bad. 25.
All right.
We should go to sign up.
Is that it?
No, you should go to sign up.
Oh yeah. You want to stand in front of it and take a picture?
Oh, we could
Yeah.
do it when we leave.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know how much.
You're gonna say where are we?
So we are in Gary V's office where he films super cute stuff everywhere. Who's this guy?
Hillbilly Jim.
Okay.
And there's Junkyard Dog, Andre the Giant, Frank Thomas signed cards, which is awesome. Altoon. This is so cool. Thundercats. Here you go.
So, this is such a cute little office, you guys. I think it's super cute. And outside, like the view, it's pretty cool. I need to pose.
Okay.
I need to pose.
Okay.
I actually go. I'm gonna take pictures of this. I need a picture.
Oh, here. Get next to the Ask Gary V sign. Oh, look, there's $1 Million Man. This is so cool. Here you go. Here you go. We'll get out of here. Hey, how are you?
Gary.
Whitney Reed, nice to meet you.
Hi,
Is
India. Nice to meet you. We just saw you on.
Yeah, 2 days
Thursday.
ago. We were at the Fort Lauderdale conference. It was great.
So we just left Gary's office, and everybody there